No part of this video should be considered legal, financial, or investment advice. If you have questions, ask a financial professional. That said, I'm making this video for my daughter because I'm going to give her her first MicroBuddy. Ready? Here's the backstory. In the year 2021, 2,500 novel microbes were discovered in an abandoned nano factory. There were 10 unique species, each with their own unique genetic makeup and the ability to self-replicate by consuming their own byproduct, goo. Due to their unique appearances and endearing behaviors, these microbes and all that would come after them became known as MicroBuddies. Dun, 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 dun. If you want to nab 1, 2, or 3 of your own MicroBuddies, check out this super short video that I'm making for my daughter. She's an avid esports gamer and a science junkie like her mom, including blockchain, crypto, and also microbiome. And she just graduated from middle school. So since she's long in crypto, she's long Bitcoin and Dogecoin. Okay, no investment advice there at all. What else should I get her for her graduation but a Gen0 MicroBuddy, which is an NFT. It's truly the gift which I feel could keep giving and giving. Oh dear, you eagerly visit microbuddies.io and oh no, it says connect MetaMask wallet. You know games like a boss, right Lulu? But if you are new to crypto and are interested in purchasing MicroBuddies, then you may not know what Ethereum, MetaMask, or an NFT is, or how to buy. Have no fear, I'll do this quickly so that you can get right back to it, because I'm sure you're excited to get one of your own evil little critters. Yes, evil. As the game launches, we'll soon find out more about the backstory, but these little devils are actually out to destroy the world. It's kind of more like Gremlins after Gremlins get water or after midnight. Today, we're going to cover MicroBuddies in 3 easy steps, okay? So the first part, and feel free to go zipping through this if you already know this stuff. The first part is going to be basically an NFT 101. What is an NFT and how do you buy, okay? Part 2 is going, oops, I think I accidentally clicked off of my marker. Okay, so part 2 is going to be what is ETH and what is Ethereum. And they're different things, and we'll talk about that in just a minute. And MetaMask. Okay? And part 3 is going to be how do you buy your MicroBuddies? You tell my teacher. All right, so with that, let's dive in. All right, so NFT.